Here we have the Autostop Eliminator device for the data link connector. It simply plugs into the port below the dash. Once installed, the device remembers when you turn Auto Start Stop off and will work to keep it off. After cycling the ignition, we see the device maintaining the off setting. When you turn the ignition off, you'll notice the Auto Start Stop off indicator stays lit. Once the truck powers down, we'll see the off indicator power down as well. We'll start the truck once again to show the off setting is automatically restored. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your F-150. Don't be fooled by the hacks and knockoff products. They all have negative side effects. We use quality components and a straightforward approach with no negative side effects. Also, our device doesn't make any changes to the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about issues with your vehicle warranty or lease agreements. And our low-profile design stays out of sight and out of the way, which makes it a perfect solution for those who dislike Auto Start Stop.